Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the earpiece speaker on the Oneplus Nord 2 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the phone, eject the SIM tray, and follow with the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, apply heat around the rear cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating completes, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is on the bottom of the cover. Gently lift the cover using a suction cup. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. This process will take time and gently pull out the back cover from the body. Next, take out the flashlight sensor plug bracket and then disconnect the plug. Next, undo 9 screws securing the board cover and then pull out the cover using a pry tool. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, pull out the not working earpiece speaker from the body. First, pull out the logic board from the body. Next, disconnect both main flex connector plugs and then the charging port plug from the logic board. Next, disconnect and pull out the wide and ultra wide cameras from the board. Next, disconnect both antenna heads. And then undo the screw securing the board. Next, gently pull out the logic board using a tweezer. Next, apply heat to soften the adhesive holding the earpiece speaker. And then gently pry the not working ear speaker from the body. Next, place and secure the new ear speaker on the body. Next, gently place the logic board in the frame and secure the board by adding the screw. Next, secure both main flex plugs and then the charging port plug into the board. Next, place and secure the wide and ultra wide cameras into the board. And also make sure the front camera is in the bracket. Next, secure two antenna heads to the board. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, place the board cover and secure it by adding 9 screws. Next, connect the flashlight connector plug and secure the bracket. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tighten the rear cover to the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.